In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your vehicle on Uber Eats. If you're an Uber Eats driver and need to update your vehicle information, whether it's because you've purchased a new car or you're using a different vehicle temporarily, this guide will walk you through the process. Ensuring your platform records are accurate is crucial not only for clarity, but also for compliance with Uber's policies. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to log into your Uber driver app. This app is where you'll manage your entire driving experience, including your vehicle details. Once you're inside the app, look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll see an icon labeled Account. It's usually represented by a small figure icon. Tap on this to access your account settings, which is the hub for all your information on the app. Now, you're in the Account section. Next, find and select the Vehicles option. This will take you to a page listing your current registered vehicles. If you're in the process of swapping or adding a vehicle, this is the perfect spot to make those changes. Find the Add Vehicle button and tap on it. This will begin the process of adding a new vehicle to your Uber Eats profile. Be prepared to input detailed information such as the make, model, year, and color of your vehicle. Accurate information here ensures you're in compliance and ready to drive as soon as possible. You'll need to upload the vehicle documents such as registration and insurance. To do this, use the photo upload feature within the app. Use your phone's camera to snap clear and legible images of your documents. Blurry or unclear photos might delay your approval as the Uber team needs to verify these details. It's always a good idea to double-check these images before submitting to make sure they're easily readable. Once all information is entered, review it to ensure everything is correct. Errors during this process could result in delays or complications down the line. After reviewing, tap Save or Submit. Your new vehicle details will now be pending approval from the Uber team. Approval time can vary, so keep an eye on your email or app notifications for confirmation. During this time, it's crucial to keep driving with the correct vehicle that aligns with your approved Uber profile. And there you have it. That's how you can change your vehicle on the Uber Eats platform. Keeping this information up to date ensures a smoother and more efficient delivery experience for you and your customers. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy driving.